It's the Hang 'em High portable feeder hanger. Great Day's Hang 'em High is the very first totally portable wild game feeder hanging device ever. It allows you to take your feeder where you want to hunt. The Hang 'em High weighs only 19 pounds, and it can be positioned 12 to 15 feet above the ground by pushing it up the tree. No more trying to find a branch to throw your rope over. The system has an industrial roller chain for securing the boom of the Hang 'em High to the tree, and it fits trees up to 18 inches in diameter. The Hang 'em High boom extends over 5 feet from the tree, making it almost impossible for bears, raccoons, and other animals to disturb the feeder. The Hang 'em High does not include the feeder, it's the hanger only. Loading the feeder can be done at ground level. No more lifting heavy feed bags over your head. The 4 roller pulleys of the rope hoist produce an 8-to-1 pull ratio and allows one person to lift feeders weighing up to 200 pounds. The Hang 'em High portable feeder hanger is made proudly in the USA and another fantastic product from Great Day.